Brian Williams, Heat TV. I'm with Coach Kieran Raftopoulos after the Heat had a eventually comfortable 96-73 win over the visiting London Lions to get 2013 off to a winning start. Coach, you must be pleased with that win, particularly against ex-Heat players Mike Martin and Teo Ogedembe.
Yeah, really happy with the result. We knew that obviously any players that go into the old venues will have something to prove. I was happy for Mikey. He had a great game. Obviously, we knew what Teo was about, and we counted what he enjoys. So he never had the greatest of games. But I would have taken a 2-point win. So the win that we got was very pleasing, and obviously for the great crowd that we have was also kind of exciting for them.
I thought particularly we won it really in the third quarter when we held the Lions to 13 points, and the defence was very active, hands in passing lanes, lots of steals, lots of disruptions. Was that a deliberate tactic on your part?
Yeah, we spoke about the way we finished the second quarter. Was we won both the first and second quarters, but I never liked our intensity levels. We kind of have a bad habit of taking the foot off the pedal when we've got a team in trouble. So we spoke about coming out. We made a little change because Sam was in foul trouble and brought JJ in. And that helped neutralize the press they were trying to use. And, when we do turn up the defense, like you're saying, hands in the passing lanes, guys sit down low, we're a very different team. And so, great third quarter. And then we managed to ride all the little presses that they put on us for the remainder of the game.
And I thought we got really good contributions, solid contributions from the bench. Obviously Albert starting, played very well, gave us a lot of good minutes, but the guys coming off the bench, Kaelin hit a couple of key three-pointers, and Peter and JJ, looking like JJ of old with 3 of 3 from three-point land, or 4 of 3 I think it was in the end.
Yeah, it's talking about JJ, it's a pleasure to have a captain like him. He's a great player and even a better person. He came, obviously missed a couple of games waiting for the birth of his son, and when he came back, I was ready to push him straight back into the starting 5 position, and he felt that he'd be happy to come off the bench because the guys were doing well. It's not many times that you get players that will put their teammates before themselves. So, having him coming off the bench, Kaelin, made a couple of threes also. And, obviously right at the end of the game, we had Jared Adams come in and knock down 2 threes, which I think his shooting percentages look absolutely awesome. I think he's 3 for 3 for the year, so that'll make me look a little bad at times. But, yeah, great contribution from the bench. And, with Peter, we're just trying to get his confidence up. I don't think he realizes how big and strong he is. And once he gets the belief that we have in him and himself, then he'll be a tough cover in our league.
So we've got a tough bit of schedule coming ahead. We've got a game here on Sunday. We've got a game here on Saturday. Durham Wildcats are coming down to see us. And then we're on the road at Reading for the BBL Trophy. And then we don't actually play at home until the 29th of January, I think. So a lot of key road games to come. What do you think of that particular stretch?
I think that's it's always tough to win on the road when you're in the BBL. So obviously taking care of Durham Wildcats will be our first job that we have to look after and focus on. I'm not going to take the game to Reading as a formality. I think they're a team that's capable of playing in the BBL with the size. They've got I think they've got 3 guys above 6'10". So, they're a real team to be reckoned with. And obviously you got to go into facilities that you might not be used to, playing on a hard floor, playing with wooden backboards. It's not easy, but you've got to adjust and get used to it in order to get the wins. Once we get on the road, it's about playing our games on the road. But we are very mature bunch of guys that are, they get behind each other. The chemistry is really good, and hopefully, getting Macklemore back will also help and get him settled again.
Okay, so we look forward to seeing you on Saturday for the visit of the Wildcats. Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, thank you, and thanks for your support. Happy New Year to everybody.